So I've got the OnePlus 15, and let me show you how to change the font style and font size on this phone. If you find this video useful, don't forget to like and subscribe, please. Anyway, go to settings and then home screen, lock screen and style. Tap on that and then scroll down and you should see font. Now, if you tap on that, you have different font styles you can choose from. So you can go cycling through the available font styles and you can see what it looks like in real time. Okay, so you can even tap on the last option and that's going to take you to your gallery where you can install some more fonts that you might not have by default on your phone. So just select more and it takes you to this gallery where there are plenty of more fonts that you can use. Okay, so for instance, if I pick this one, it's free. Some of them you'll have to pay for, but for most of them, they're going to be free. So I'm going to tap on apply and then confirm that. And then once it's downloaded, you'll be prompted to sign in with your OnePlus account, which you could do if you wanted to. But if you don't want, then you can just let it go. Okay. Now to install a font, you have to sign in with your OnePlus account. Anyway, once you change the font style here, you have the option to also change the font size. Okay. So you have different sizes and you can see what it looks like. And also you can change the weight, which is basically the boldness of that particular font. Okay. Once you choose everything you want, tap on apply and that's going to get applied to your phone. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe and good luck.